My Fleets. Selecting the fleet icon atop the vertical map options bar on the right side of your screen displays the My Fleets pop-up. This pop-up allows users to navigate to the Manage Fleets pop-up where users can create, edit, or delete fleets, and to filter the map to show only selected fleets and later clear those filters. Every user starts with a fleet called My Vessels, which has no vessels assigned to it. There are two methods available to assign a vessel to the fleet. To use the first method, find a vessel on the map, select the vessel. A red circle will now appear around the vessel. Right-clicking on the selected vessel causes an action pop-up to appear. Select Add Vessel to Fleet. This in turn will cause another pop-up window to appear. Select the appropriate fleet and then save changes. Once the vessel has been added to this fleet, the system will display the vessel in the user-defined color of the fleet along with the vessel name in a label. To confirm the vessels in your fleet, navigate to the Manage Fleets pop-up. Selecting My Fleets in the left of the panel, defined vessels in the fleet will appear in the right panel. The second method available for adding vessels to fleets is through the Vessel Management window. Select the fleet you wish to add vessels. A panel will appear on the right. Enter the vessel name in the box provided. Verify the vessel name, IMO number, and/or the call sign to verify the correct vessel to be added. Save the addition to the fleet by selecting Save. A green box will momentarily appear to the bottom right of your screen, confirming the vessel has been saved to the fleet. Removing vessels for a selected fleet can be accomplished by checking the box to the vessel to be removed. Select Remove Selected Vessels, which is depicted with the garbage can icon. Confirm intention to remove, and then select Save. Again, a green notification box will be momentarily displayed in the bottom right of your screen. Creating a new fleet can also be achieved in the Fleet Management pop-up window. Select the Create Fleet tab at the top right of the pop-up box. Enter the name of the fleet. Select Create. Notice the system's add to the new fleet in the left panel on the Fleet Management pop-up. Also note that no vessels appear on the right side of the panel. Follow the steps provided earlier to add vessels to the new fleet. To change the color of the vessels contained in this new fleet, select the fleet on the left-hand side of the pop-up, then click the square on the right-hand side and then select a color from the color palette. Be sure to save your selection when finished. User-defined fleets make it possible for users to set up fleet alerts discussed in the separate PV360 training video, and which also allows users to filter the map to only show selected fleets. To filter the map so that only defined fleets appear on screen, select the My Fleets icon on the map, check the boxes on the My Fleets pop-up next to the corresponding fleet you wish to appear on screen. Checking and unchecking the boxes delineates which vessels appear on screen. To clear the filter so that all vessels appear, select Clear. It is also possible to filter a map by fleet directly from the My Fleets pop-up by selecting the binoculars icon for a given fleet. When you display a fleet in this way, the map will automatically zoom to the closest level that will display all vessels contained in the selected fleet. If your fleet contains vessels positioned around the world, the map display will automatically zoom out to the entire world to ensure that all your fleet's vessels are displayed on the map. To clear the filter, uncheck the box and click on the Clear button. To execute the fleet list, report any fleet listed on the My Fleets pop-up, simply click on the report icon adjacent to the binoculars icon and execute the report as described in the reports training video.